During my first year in college, I studied carpentry at Coleg Meirion-Dwyfor, which is part of Group Meirion-Dwyfor. Personally, I thought the course was fantastic. The way we had to work through specific tasks, which you felt your skill being developed through the whole process. The tutors were fantastic. They treated us like adults rather than teenagers fresh from school, and they helped us every stage of the way. The tutors saw some skill in me and decided to put me forward towards skills competitions Wales, where I picked up my first gold award. In my second year, I chose site carpentry as I preferred working out on site. I really enjoyed the fact that we got into specific site work, working on complex roofs, floors, etc. And I valued every part of the training, from theory-based work to the practical. I was then selected for Team Wales, where we picked up gold at the skills show in Birmingham. Reflecting back, I've accomplished a lot more than I ever thought possible. At level 3, we looked at more complex carpentry work, such as hip roofs and so on, and we also looked at construction as a whole. I was still competing during my level 3. I was hooked, you could say. The pinnacle of my career then was winning gold at the UK National Finals, and it was special to me because a week prior to that I also got Apprentice of the Year Wales down at the O2 Arena in London. After finishing college, I took the leap of going self-employed, and I haven't looked back since. I was also then picked up for World Skills UK, which is basically like the Olympics for skills. And even though I finished college, they still supported me and gave me facilities to practice, and they're still supporting me now. I think it's safe to say that without the college's guidance and the tutors, I wouldn't be where I am today. Arriving at college, day one, not knowing anything about carpentry, and then leaving at level 3, being the UK champion and Apprentice of the Year. I can only thank Coleg Meirion-Dwyfor for the support that they've given me, and I think that's the reason why I'm now helping them with mentoring students for future competitions, and I'm looking forward for the rest of my journey.